Hi there, and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420d Grand Coupe here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a little walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk to you through some of the features and options, and then we'll jump through into the interior where we can have a look around and talk you through some of the interior features and options. So of course, starting with the outside, you will see that this vehicle is a 2017 facelifted 4 Series, so you will see the slight differences in the front headlights being the facelifted headlights. In that regards, they are the LED angel eyes and LED projector headlamps. We've also fitted the Your Next Car performance kit where we have the satin front splitter, gloss black kidney wheels. We've also just fitted the 19-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels in the satin grey. These are the newest line of alloy wheels we've been able to get hold of, and I personally think they are absolutely stunning, especially combined with the black sapphire metallic of the body colour. Moving down the side, we've got the black sidebars and the M Performance decals. This vehicle does also benefit from having the privacy glass. Quick look around the interior. We have got the black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated, as well as having the electric lumbar adjustment on both drivers and passengers. We've got the multifunction M Sport steering wheel with the superb 8-speed sport gearbox, which we'll get through in a bit more detail in just a moment. Into the rear, where of course we've got the ISOFIX ready rear bench. We've also got the Estral blue accents in the interior on the door cards and on the centre console, which again I'll give you a show of in just a moment. As I said, these wheels are all brand new with brand new tyres. As you can see there, they are a stunning addition, really do finish off the vehicle. Gloss black rear boot spoiler, and again the facelifted rear tail lights, so they are now a full LED unit and an all red rear as opposed to the pre-facelifts which weren't. We've also got the satin rear diffuser. The tailgates on the 4 Series Grand Coupes are all automatic, as you can see there. Huge boot space, and the seats do fold as well should you require any extra room. And we'll give you a nice side profile view of the car. This vehicle does benefit from having full BMW service history, including the first PDI inspection being stamped on the digital service history. So there is your Estral blue accents on the door cards, as well as the dashboard trim as well. Always a nice indication just how new these vehicles are by how they've still got the protective film over the M Sport sill plates. Gloss black air breather along with the M Sport badging on the front wings. Okay, now we'll jump through into the driver's seat and I'll talk you through some of the interior features in a bit more depth. Another feature on this one is the leather trim dash, as you can see there. Normally it will just be plain, but we've got the nice leather trim on this one. We've got the front heated seats, which you can see there. We've also got the superb professional wide navigation and media. This one is also the facelifted version, so we've got a few more functions and features within that. Included in that is the Connect to Drive online search function, which in a shortened version down is basically like Google on the go. There's your navigation screen. We've also of course got Bluetooth communications and media, DAB radio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. As I've already mentioned, it has that superb 8-speed sport gearbox, which is a nice responsive gearbox along with being a bit more economical. Cruise control with speed limiter function, voice control with volume controls. The vehicle itself has covered just over 26,000 miles. And if we go into the vehicle status, we can see all of the service requirements. Everything is in green, as you can see there, and it's not due an engine oil change for just under 4,000 miles. And all the brake requirements, 20,000 on the front brakes, 13,000 on the rear. And as I've said, it's got full BMW service history. That was the PDI check carried out there at 10 miles on the vehicle, and then 16,000 for the first service. Very clean and tidy vehicle inside and out. Exceptionally well cared for. Nice and tidy vehicle. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around for the 420d Grand Coupe. We do of course hope you found the video useful, but most of all we do of course hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care and goodbye.